Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and subscribe. We're out here again on our big project in Harrisonville, Missouri. We have gone ahead, we've excavated all of the dirt that was pre-existing on the floor down here inside the basement. Really, we've taken out roughly 7 to 8 inches of that dirt and have spread out new clean rock. We've also gone ahead and removed the, there was a pre-existing drainage system running along the perimeter. Once we got that dirt out of there, we pretty much discovered that it wasn't doing anything. So we ended up getting that taken out. Really, we needed to anyway, since we're going to be here very shortly beginning the process to remove 3 of the existing stone walls and start the rebuild process to get those back to perfectly vertical. So again, just to give a brief overview of what this project is, we have 3 sections of the wall. One right here, which would be on the east side. Again, right here, I don't know how well it's coming across in the video, but you can see a significant inward lean right here around the window. So this is section number 2, again on the east side. And then we're going to go this wall on the west side near the sump pump. We're going to get this removed. Again, you can see a lot of inward leaning right here around the window. So we're going to get all these sections removed and built back up. We've done a lot of these projects here late spring, early in the summer this year, so it's nothing we can't handle. Should go fairly quickly. And then, so that's the first main scope of work that we're doing on this project. The second one is we are going to be installing permanent 6x6 treated wood support posts. So we have 4 that we're going to be doing around the central section here, basically 1 on each side. And that's going to be a 2-foot thick, high strength concrete footing. And we're also going to do an additional 5th one in this area right here. You can see that there's brick here, it's loose, it's not really doing what it should be. So we're going to get this area cleaned out, and we're going to put a 5th footing and support beam pretty much right under here to make sure that the floor is properly supported, because we want to make sure that the floor is showing level once we're all finished up here. So the support beams and the concrete footings, that's the second major scope. The final is we are going to, now that we have all the dirt out of here, the gravel is spread throughout, we will pour a new concrete floor down here in the basement. So obviously that's going to be the last thing that we do, but everything is finally cleared out of the way for us, so we can get that taken care of. So stay tuned for more updates. We got very lucky this week so far with the weather forecast, so it should be a nice dry week to get these walls rebuilt. So again, stay tuned for those updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.